welcome back to my channel. I hope so you all will be doing it well, and we start the lecture with this prayer that God bless you in every aspect of life and you will always stay happy and healthy. So in today's topic we discuss about three main points. First one is why reading is important to young generation. Second is essential tips and tricks for reading, and last one and most important is importance of reading in our daily life. So let's start our lecture without wasting our time. First one is why reading is important to young generation. Reading is crucial for the younger generation for several reasons. First one is cognitive development. Cognitive development means reading stimulates the brain, enhancing critical thinking, comprehension, and analytical skills. It helps young minds understand complex ideas, follow narratives, and develop problem solving abilities. Second one is language skills. Regular reading improves vocabulary, grammar, and writing skill. It exposes young people to different styles of writing and a broader range of words, helping them communicate more effectively. So now start our next point is essential tips and tricks of reading. Here are some essential tips and tricks to make the most out of your reading experience. First one is set reading goals, daily or weekly targets. Set a goal for how much you want to read daily or weekly. It could be a number of pages, chapters, or minutes. Book list. Create a reading list of books you want to read and prioritize them. This keeps you motivated and organized. Second one is choose the right books. Interest and enjoyment. Pick books that genuinely interest you. If a book doesn't grab your attention, it's okay to put it aside for something else. Balance genres. Mix different genres to keep your reading experience diverse and prevent burnout. Third one is create a reading environment. Quiet space. Find a quiet, comfortable place to read where you will not be easily distracted. Good lighting. Ensure proper lighting to avoid eye strain. Natural light is ideal, but a good reading lamp works well too. Active reading. Take notes. Jot down interesting quotes, ideas, or concepts. This helps with retention and deeper understanding. Highlight key points. If it's your book, underline or highlight important sections. This makes it easier to review later. Ask questions. Engage with the text by asking questions yourself about the content. This deepens comprehension. Use a dictionary. Expand vocabulary. Look up the unfamiliar word as you read to enhance your vocabulary and grasp of the material. Read regularly. Daily habit to read regularly. Incorporate reading into your daily routine. Even just 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Carry a book. Always have a book or e-reader with you to make the most of the idle time, like during commutes. Join a reading group. Discussion and insight. Join or start a book club to discuss what you have read. This provides new perspectives and keeps you motivated. Pace yourself, do not rush. Read at your own place, at your own pace. It's not about how fast you read, but how much you absorb and enjoy. Take breaths, take breaks. If you are reading for long periods, take short breaks to avoid fatigue. Like sometimes we feel depressed and sometimes we have too much stress in our mind. Mixed formats. Audiobooks. Listen to audiobooks during activities like exercising or commuting. Ebooks. Use an e-reader or app to read on the go when carrying a physical book is not convenient. Reflect on what you read. Summarize. After finishing a book, summarize the main points and your thoughts. This helps consolidate your understanding. Apply knowledge. Think about how you can apply what you have learned to your life or work. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can enhance your reading experience, retain more information, and develop a deeper appreciation for the books you read. Why reading is important to us? Reading is important for several reasons that apply to all people for all ages. First one is mental stimulation. Reading keeps the brain active and engaged, reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. It's a mental workout that can improve focus, concentration, and memory. Knowledge acquisition. Books are a rich source of knowledge. Reading regularly helps us learn new things, stay informed about various topics, and develop expertise in areas of interest. Vocabulary expansion. The more you read, the more words you are exposed to. This enhances your vocabulary and helps you to communicate more effectively both in writing and speaking. Stress reduction. Reading can be a great way to unwind and escape from the stresses of everyday life. A good book can transport you to another world, providing a break from reality and reducing stress levels. Improved focus and concentration. In a world full of distractions, reading requires focus and concentration, which can improve your ability to stay on task in other areas of life. Emotional development. Through reading, we can explore complex emotion and situation which can increase our emotional intelligence and empathy for others. Creativity and imagination. Fiction, in particular, can stimulate the imagination, encouraging creativity and innovation in your own life. Entertainment. Books offer endless forms of entertainment, from thrilling adventures to deep philosophical musics. Reading can be a source of joy and relaxation, providing entertainment that also enriches the mind. Thank you for your precious time and stay connected for further informative videos. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because whenever I upload new videos, informative videos, that will be help you in your career. So stay connected.